Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today I'm going to attempt to do my first sublimation sequence pillow in memory of my grandmother. So I want to use this image here that I already have uploaded into my Silhouette software, my Silhouette Studio. So I'm going to try to print her out onto my coastal sublimation 11 by 17 paper. So I have her in my size to like 11 by 14.125 inches. The pillow that I purchased from Amazon, it is a sequence pillow and it's a 16, you guys can see, 16 by 16. I've already flipped all my sequins over to the white side. That's where I'm going to press in the image onto, and the other side is silver. You can see that. Alright, so I'm getting my heat press preheat to 400. I'm going to do 400 at 60 degrees. So I did change my print settings to presentation matte or something like that I seen other people using, and I printed out an image using that before I started this video to put on a shirt, and the colors look so good, you guys. So I'm gonna see how this looks onto a 100% polyester shirt that I purchased from Walmart, just so that I can wear it to work tomorrow since the Chiefs did win today. Okay, so yeah, let's just get into it. So right now the picture is just loading into the software or the printer about to print. I have it on portrait mode, presentation, matte quality paper, and I have it at standard, not high. I'm just seeing people reviews, seeing what works best for other people. I'm just trying out different things until I'm able to find what works for me. So it should get ready to start printing. I won't let you guys sit through all that. I'll be back with you once the image is printed out. Alright, y'all. Excuse the smack on the lips. I don't know what that was about. Anyways, this is what it looks like. Oh my god, the colors, I love them. Just hope it looks the same on my pillow. I'm gonna go ahead and trim all of this extraness out, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and trimmed my image. I got everything flipped over. Let me make sure I don't want no silver sequence showing. Let's make sure I get it all. That damn one, I guess, but I don't really want a whole bunch of the silver showing because I am putting my image on the white, so that way, you know, when we flip it, we'll see the silver, and then we'll flip it, we'll see the image of my grandmother. Okay, so now that I got everything flipped over like I wanted, there's already like a crease in the middle because you guys know I'm not good with centering things. So I'm just going to center her along that crease that's already in the pillow. I'm going to get some of my heat transfer tape. Super hot. Uh-oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Don't want no silver. I'm going to take a piece of my butcher paper to take the pillow and my heat press, because we know how this ink can be. I want to press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Uh-oh. I'm so nervous. Oh, I hope this comes out right. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. Be very careful. It's hot. Super hot. Peel off my tape. Uh-oh. Be very careful. like it. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's let it cool off so we can flip it and see how it looks once we flip it. Alright, so here is the final product. I put the, what is this called? Hold on. It's like a hyperallergenic pillow, whatever it is. I got it from Amazon too. So the case and the pillow itself are like $15.97 for both. The pillowcase is 16 by 16 inches and the pillow is 18 by 18. And it fills out perfectly. So as you can see, there's my granny. And then, bear with me, I'm holding my phone and trying to, you know, flip the sequence. But there it goes. And there it is. So I think my first attempt at my little sequence pillow came out pretty good. You laughing? Yeah. Alright guys, so that is my attempt at a sublimation sequence pillow in memory of my grandmother. And I think for my first time, it came out, really good. I think I got the pillow upside down or something like that. My zipper is, where is it? On the sides. Maybe I should have did it this way, but whatever. I still love it. It looks great. I love the way the colors look on her skin. Everything just looks very, very, very good. So I hope you all liked it just as much as I do. Y'all, I could cry like but yes, so this is the pillow. If you have any comments or tips for me, be sure to leave them down below. I will respond back to you as soon as I can. Thank you all for spending your day with me, your time.